Welcome to the Month in Review briefing. This briefing will highlight the weather of November 2013, as well as the temperature and precipitation outlooks for the month of December 2013. This graphic is from the High Plains Regional Climate Center and shows the departure from normal temperatures for the month of November 2013. The time period for the normals is 1981 to 2010. A value of 0 would mean that the location reported a normal average temperature. The Pacific Northwest reported near to a few degrees below normal temperatures for the month. The next graphic is also from the High Plains Regional Climate Center. This shows the percent of normal precipitation for the Northwest for the month of November 2013. A value of 100% means that the location reported their average monthly total precipitation. Most of the region reported well below normal precipitation values, with some locations receiving less than 10% their monthly normal values. Cold air moved in from the north during the later part of the month of November 2013. High pressure led to clearing skies and light winds the morning of the 22nd. 5 stations reported record low temperatures on that morning. John Day, Oregon reported a record low temperature of 11 degrees, tying the previous record set in 1994. Hermiston, Oregon reported a record low temperature of 6 degrees, breaking the previous record low of 9 degrees set in 1931. Easton, Washington reported a record low temperature of 3 degrees, breaking the previous record low of 18 degrees set in 2007. Goldendale, Washington reported a record low temperature of 10 degrees, breaking the previous record low of 11 degrees set in 1905. And Whitman Mission, Washington reported a record low temperature of 10 degrees, tying the previous record set in 1977. And now we will turn our attention to the forecast for December 2013. This graphic is issued by the Climate Prediction Center, or CPC, and is the temperature outlook for the month of December. The cool colors indicate a greater chance of below normal temperatures, and the warm colors represent a greater chance of above normal temperatures. The time period for the normals runs from 1981 to 2010. Most of the region is forecast to have a greater chance of below normal temperatures. This graphic is CPC's precipitation outlook for the month of November. The green colors represent a greater chance of above normal precipitation, and the brown colors represent a greater chance of below normal precipitation. The Pacific Northwest is under what is called equal chances. This means that the probability of the most likely category cannot be determined, and the expected likelihood of above, below, or near normal temperatures doesn't differ from the climatological odds of 33.3% for each category. Please keep in mind that these are probabilities of averages, and that the day-to-day weather will still vary for the month of December. This concludes our briefing. Please continue to visit National Weather Service web pages for the latest weather information, including watches, warnings, and advisories. Thank you for your time.